Information to gather before you file lost item in dollar car rental. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure you gather your rental agreement number. Then note vehicle details, model, color, and confirm pickup and return location. Check your return date and time. And after you've done this, you can go to the dollar car rental lost and found page and click on follow this link, and from there you will be able to report lost and found. And as you already have your agreement number, vehicle details, confirmation, pickup and return location, return date and time, you will be able to describe the lost item clearly, and after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to gather info before you file lost items in dollar car rental. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.